last time I mentioned that I wasn't going to put any more RGB into my PC, but I just got this package in the mail, and it's pretty excited because I bought this as one of the first things I wanted to get for my PC, but I totally forgot about it because of quarantine and production lines being delayed. I couldn't get this until now, so it's been like 2 or 3 months since I ordered this. I probably, in hindsight, realized that this is no longer possible for me to use on my PC. I bought this from V1 Tech, and they make a lot of awesome, cool RGB stuff for the PC. And I was really excited when I got this, and there was like a coupon code during the time. But now that I have this in my hands, I realize what a terrible mistake I did when I decided to buy this, because I didn't really think things out. And I don't think this will actually work on my PC, so I probably won't be able to use it, but I still think it's cool, and I'm going to show you guys what it is. Interesting. Okay, so this is it. This is the plate, and yeah, I chose the Dragon Ball Z looking one with Goku doing Ultra Instinct. Alright. Yeah. Let's see what we have here. Wires, control, some stickers, some magnets, instruction guide. Looks like it's compatible with the Corsair Commander Pro. Yeah, this is really cool looking. Unfortunately, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. So this is my current PC as it is now. And the reason why I didn't think this through is because later on in my build, I decided to go with the vertical mount. And the vertical mount has the backplate on the other side. So it's completely on the back side of that. And I have nowhere to put this. This is like, it would be like this on the back side. And it'd be kind of defeat the purpose. I guess maybe I could flip it around and stick it on this side, but it would be a little weird. I'm not gonna lie. Just because I don't know, maybe it's possible. I don't know. Maybe I should have asked them if they can just give me a flat back. Just kind of defeats the purpose, because I do want to keep the water cooling plate. It just looks cool, and this kind of hides the water cooling plate. So yeah, kind of in hindsight, did not think this through. Completely did not think this through. So not really sure what I'm gonna do with this, but hopefully I will think of something, because I think it is a cool piece of equipment. Might not be for this build, but maybe for a future build. Alright, so I got this hooked up to my old power supply, so let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Oh, that is cool. That is cool. Oh, that's cool. So this is will be going on to the video card as a backplate, and it's really cool. It has such a cool button. Let's see what the remote does. Can we change the mode? No, I'm not sure how this works. Oh wait, do I have to pull this battery part out? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's dope. And just the speed. Maybe slower. Increase the speed. I'm not sure what the modes button is doing. What are the modes just changing colors? It looks like it's just changing colors. So it definitely looks controllable. Let me see if I turn off the light. Wow, that does look cool. This is the back side. This is certainly cool. I'll give you that for sure. I really wish I could have put this on my graphics card and really get a chance to check it out. Unfortunately, can't really find a place for this.
So that's pretty much it. This is the V1 Tech Backplate Custom RGB. They have a lot of different designs that you can choose from. I just went with this one because I'm a fan of Dragon Ball Z and I thought this was a cool animation. I think they have other anime styles, also different company logos and other interesting design. I think you can even upload your own design. Right here, I'm just going through all the different modes to show you what they look like. But that's pretty much it. So let me know what you guys think. I certainly think it's cool, and I wish I really had an opportunity to put this in my rig to, show it off. But that's how it is sometimes with RGB. So let me know what you guys think, and until next time, stay dorky.